My name is Nishant. I'm here from Mumbai, all the way from Mumbai, just for the sake of this jump. And I am afraid of heights. I'm one of the most scariest person when it comes to height. And just trying to accomplish my fear and capture my fear. And hopefully it will be a good jump. Looking forward for that. Cheers.
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
All good.
Excited?
Damn.
Tell me whose crazy idea of that?
It was myself. I mean, just wanted to tick this off my bucket list.
Okay, we're gonna jump out at 10,000 feet. You ready for it?
Looks like yes. Most memorable memories I will ever have in my life. Again, because it's capturing my biggest fear.
Yeah.
That is because I'm damn scared of height. As I said, I haven't jumped or I haven't got into a giant wheel yet in my life. This is because I'm scared of that freaking height.
And you did it. You just jumped out of plane. Congratulations, buddy.